why did this zone here smash stop loss? And why did this zone here smash take profit? What is the key difference? As we know, every trade starts with a break of structure. So we have an uptrend, we break structure to the upside, protected low down here, we draw a zone. Now we can see price left the zone, price tapped back in, and price made a higher high. So normally this is the perfect 5 steps setting up. And the final step is to wait for this low to be swept and then look for a long. However, you have to make sure your zone is fresh. You have to make sure your zone is unmitigated. This liquidity here completely mitigated this zone. There is no orders left for price to sweep and continue higher. If we break this low, we are going to continue to dump lower as we saw. So what does a good setup look like? Well, in this scenario, you can see we are in a downtrend. We look for the last break of structure to the downside, which was here, draw a zone around that. Now we want to see where price left the zone, tapped back in, and then made a lower low. This tap here that made the lower low, this is our liquidity to use. Now what makes this one good? Well, as you can see, this liquidity here did not mitigate this zone. There is still so many orders left for price to be filled and then continue lower. So if you took shorts in here, as we saw, you would have smashed take profit. This is the difference between a good and bad zone. If you want my free detailed guide on how to choose the best zones, just comment the word zones and I'll send it over to you for free.